Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you
How to make the 3D pie chart
in PowerPoint. Let's get started.
At first you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the chart option. Then select the pie and we can see here many pie chart. Now I am select the 3D pie and choose OK. Then wait some moment to inserting the chart. Then close the window and select the drop down menu and change the style of the 3D. Now I am select this. You can change the color. Select the change color option and change the color. Now we can see we make a 3D pie chart
Very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment.
share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.